Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Mansa channel. In today's video, we will see how to code neoplasms in ICD 10CM. First, you should know ICD 10CM guidelines for neoplasm and what is the sequencing for the neoplasm code. Neoplasm guidelines I have explained earlier in my videos. Please go back and watch them. So in this video, we will see how to code from Neoplasmic Table. Okay. ICD 10 codes from Neoplasmic Table. And first you should know site of the neoplasm. Okay, in order to code, first you should know the site. One column would be Neoplasmic Table based on the organ site where the neoplasm occurred. And there are columns based on the type of neoplasm. Whether there are four types of neoplasm. One is malignant, then benign, then in situ, then unspecified nature and uncertain behavior. First you should know the meanings of all the five. Okay. So based on the type of neoplasm and based on the organ site, you have different codes. Okay, and once you pick the code, you should go back to the tabular index for the complete code. Okay, the code given in the table might not be complete. Okay, it is incomplete. Okay, you should take that particular code and go back to the tabular index, then search for that complete code and then code the complete code. This is how we code it. And I'll show you what is meant by primary malignant neoplasm, secondary malignant neoplasm, then benign neoplasm, in situ, uncertain behavior, then uncertain behavior neoplasm. First, malignant neoplasm, as you know, it is a deadly and fatal to the human being. Okay. Based on the site of malignant neoplasm, origin, whether it is primary site or secondary site, then they are further divided into primary neoplasm and secondary neoplasm. Primary neoplasm in the sense, for the first time the malignant neoplasm to that particular organ, started. Neoplasm started at that particular organ, that is said to be primary site and primary malignant neoplasm. If from that organ it is spread to another organ in the same body, then it is said to be secondary malignant neoplasm at the secondary site. That means secondary neoplasm is not the primary one. From the primary site it has been spread. Okay, that is said to be secondary neoplasm. Now you understood what is primary and secondary malignant neoplasm, right? Now in situ means it is not invasive. Particular malignant, it's a malignant neoplasm, and that particular malignant neoplasm is confined to only that thing, that organ, and it will not be spread to other organs. Example, ductal carcinoma of breast. Okay, that is in situ. I mean, inside the ducts there is malignant neoplasm, and outside the breast tissue does not contain any malignant cells, and it is free of malignant neoplasm. Only inside the ducts the malignant neoplasm is there, and hence it is said to be in situ ductal carcinoma of breast. Okay, then uncertain behavior means at the time of biopsy, when the cells malignant tissue is sent to lab, the lab technician or physician is unable to determine whether it is malignant or benign. Okay, then that is said to be uncertain behavior. Unspecified nature means he is not sending anything to the lab. Physician is not sending anything to the lab, and he is just telling it's a malignant neoplasm. It's a neoplasm, but we are not defining it. So clinic is not defining it. So he just tells neoplasm. That's it. Then we have to give select unspecified behavior neoplasm. Come, let's see the. So I'll show you neoplasmic table. Okay, neoplasm table in ICD 10C. So you can see based on the anatomic site code ranges of neoplasm, C00, C15, all this. Okay, secondary, then primary. Okay, so based on the oral cavity, site. These codes are divided. I'm not able to see here the table, but they have given clear thing. Let me go back and check for exact table. See, okay. See here, it is I 2022 ICD 10 cm table. See, neoplasm, cough, malignant primary, malignant secondary, carcinoma in situ, benign, uncertain, and unspecified behavior. Okay, don't think these are the complete codes. These are not complete codes. Okay, see, calyx renal, malignant primary renal, C65 dash is there, hyphen is there. If you click, you will go to the tabular index where you can find C65 is further divided into C65.1, 2, and 9. Right, left, and unspecified renal pelvis. So once don't finalize your coding from that tabular table of neoplasm. You should go back to tabular index and you should find the complete code. Okay, then only your coding is complete. Okay, now let us see definitions of carcinoma in situ. I explained you about malignant neoplasm. Right? Now I am showing you carcinoma in situ. A condition in which abnormal cells that look like cancer cells under a microscope are found only in the place where they first formed and haven't spread to nearby tissue. At some point, these cells may become cancerous and spread to nearby normal tissue. At that time of biopsy, they are said to be cancer cells, malignant, but they are not able to they will not be able to spread even to the nearby tissue. That is said to be carcinoma in situ. Example is ductal in situ carcinoma. Okay, then uncertain. Benign neoplasm is non-fatal and it can be removed through surgery or through medicines. Okay, uncertain behavior. Skin neoplasm that means skin growth whose behavior cannot be predicted. That means physician is not able to determine whether it is malignant or benign. Okay, that is said to be uncertain behavior. Then unspecified behavior. Neoplasm may be benign, not cancer nor malignant. Abdominal growth tissue resulted from uncontrolled cell corruption. Okay. Unspecified means they are not doing any further lab tests and they are not determining at that point. Okay. He's just telling neoplasm. That's it. Then we'll go for this D codes. So, friends, I think now you understood like clear things, right? I just want to show you the entire table. This is the table. Okay. This is the table and this is how the neoplasm table would be there. Based on the anatomic site, one column would be your anatomic site. Okay, and type of neoplasm you have to select. And if you go for ICD 10 cm guidelines, neoplasm guidelines, then you will know. See there, this is table of neoplasms. Okay, set n terms, right? This is how. Okay, then okay, in my next video I'll show you table of drugs also, how to code. Okay, that's all. This is it from me. Please like the video if you like it and share it to your friends and subscribe for my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.